Hi everyone! In this video I want to show you how to make these gorgeous strawberry earrings. This is Manari's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this tutorial I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. Start with the simple stitch. 10 chains. In the first chain, 1 slip stitch, 1 chain, and all around these chains make 18 single crochet stitches. And 1 slip stitch to close up this ring. Three chains. In the same stitch, 1 double crochet. In each of the next 9 stitches, 2 double crochet. And overall we have 20 double crochet stitches. Now it's time to add the red yarn. Skip 2 double crochet stitches. In this hollow spot between the stitches, pull the red yarn out. 1 chain, yarn over the hook, push the hook in the same spot, and pull the yarn out. Do this 5 times. And then pull the yarn out through all these loops at once. Make a chain, and this is how we make a puff. Again, 1 chain, skip 2 double crochet stitches. In this spot, make 1 puff. One chain, and repeat this 7 more times. And at the end, in this row, we have 9 puffs. For the next row, turn the work around. Between these 2 puffs, make 1 slip stitch. One chain, 1 puff, one chain, and again between the next 2 puffs, make another puff. One chain, and keep this going, and at the end of this row we're gonna have 8 puffs. And like this, in each row we're gonna have one less puff. And as a result of these puffs, our strawberry would look like this. If you liked and enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day!